Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how calibration is done on Topcon and Sokkia total station. This is Topcon OS series total station. This calibration can be done same as this process on other models like Sokkia CX series total station, Sokkia FX series total station. Likewise, it can be done on Topcon OS series total station and Topcon ES series total station. It can be done even on Topcon GM series, Sokkia IM series and Sokkia set series. The process is almost same. You can see the model details here. Okay, it can be done on following device. Okay, now let's get started on this device. Let me power on the device. Okay, before proceeding for calibration, make sure that external bubble is okay on all the three sides. Okay, but this model has no plate bubble, so I am adjusting it from 40 screw on one side and I will check on the other side. But for total station with plate bubble, bubbles will be adjusted first and it will be okay before going for calibration. You can see my bubble is not okay, it will be below 5 seconds, so I'll need to calibrate tilt as well. So now you need to set target on a certain distance from your station. You can see mine, it's about 40 meters away. I'm marking it with cross mark so that it will be easier to target me later with on both sides. Okay, after bubble is okay, we need to check the angle error first. So I'm going to angle section. Now I will target my device to that mark point from phase 1. Okay, this is my phase 1. I'm targeting it on my crosshair. Okay, and I need to set horizontal angle to 0 degrees so that it will be easier for me to calculate later. Okay, now note the horizontal and vertical angle. Okay, note it on paper so that it will be easier for calculate. Okay, now we need to turn the device to the other face and mark the exact same point as before. Okay, now again note the horizontal and vertical angle from face 2. Okay, now for device to be exactly okay, the difference of horizontal angle should be 180 degree and sum of vertical angle should be 360 degree. With my calculation here, my horizontal angle error is 21 second and vertical angle error is 14 second. So I need to calibrate it. So for calibration, now we need to go to escape and go to configuration. You can see it configuration. Okay, now click there and inside configuration there is instrument constant. Okay, under instrument constant there is tilt offset and collimation. First go to tilt offset calculation. There you can see it. Okay, take F1 and tilt of X and Y is shown. Okay, now press OK. Now it will ask you to take F2. So now turn the device to phase 2 and target the exact same point. Okay, now once the target is okay, you can press OK. Okay, press OK. You can see the tilt details. Now the device will calculate the error and display it on the screen. You can see it. Now press S to record the new setting. Now tilt correction is done. Okay, it's done. Now let's get back and check tilt correction on measurement mode. Okay, now I'll go to tilt. Okay, you can see now my tilt value is almost nil. Below 5 seconds is okay for survey to do. Okay, I'm checking out it from both sides. Okay, this is okay. Okay, it's perfect. Now next step is to go for angle correction. Okay, for that go through same process. Go to configuration, instrument constant, and now you can directly go to collimation. Okay, now again take F1 is on, so I'll target it to my crosshair and I'll press OK. Now the device will ask me to take F2. Okay, now I will turn my device to phase 2 and target the exact same point. Be careful while targeting, it should be exactly the same point. Now with F2 I am pressing OK. Now you can see my error level is shown. Now if I need to save, I'll press S. OK. Now this is done. My new setting are saved. So now I'll exit and go to angle mode and check angle for the final confirmation. Okay, now I'll set horizontal angle to 0 degree and I'll note the horizontal and vertical angle. Okay, note it on paper, it will be easier. You can see. Now I'll turn my device to other face and target the same point. Okay, now I will note the other face angle details. Okay, you can see it. Okay, with my angle, my vertical angle error is 2 seconds and horizontal is 0. This is perfectly okay now. Likewise, you can do it by yourself. You need not need to spend a lot of money for taking it to service center. They will charge you more than 10,000 for just this simple process. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.